Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about, can I share my Goodbudget account with my spouse or partner? The short answer is yes, you can. Goodbudget is designed for households and couples to manage their finances together. It's built on the principle of the envelope system, but with a digital twist, making it easy to share with your partner. Here's how it works. When you create a Goodbudget account, you can invite your spouse or partner to join. They will get their own login, but both of you will have access to the same account data. This means you'll see the same envelopes, the same balances, and the same transactions. This shared access is key. When one of you makes a purchase and logs it in the app, the other person sees the update instantly. This real-time synchronization helps both of you stay on the same page and avoid overspending. You can both add transactions, edit envelopes, and track your household's budget together. Goodbudget also allows you to sync your budget across multiple devices. So whether you're using an iPhone, an Android phone, or the web version, you and your partner can access your budget from wherever you are. This makes it convenient to manage your money on the go. So, if you're a couple looking for a simple, effective way to budget together, sharing a Goodbudget account is an excellent option. It promotes transparency and teamwork, helping you achieve your financial goals as a team. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.